Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join the Thunderzilla Hunt in Fish It. So in this latest Fish It update, there's a brand new forgotten fish that called Thunderzilla. And now if you want to catch this fish, there are two important things that you need. First, you need to have a diamond root. And second, you need to fish during the Thunderzilla Hunt events. So how do you join it? The Thunderzilla Hunt appears randomly, almost the same way as the Megalodon Hunt event. So unfortunately, there's no exact time for when it starts. Usually this event happens near ancient jungle, so that's one of the best places to watch. And when the event is active, you will see Thunderzilla icon notifications appear on the bottom left corner of your screen. So just keep checking that area. And honestly, it works very similar to Megalodon Hunt. So if you want to join this event faster, the best method is to server hop. And then just keep switching server until you find one where the Thunderzilla Hunt is already happening. And that's how you can join the Thunderzilla Hunt in Fish It. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.